Hey everybody, and welcome back to Embrilliance. This is the quilting part 2, so we are going to continue on this Christmas tree quilt block. My name is Sue and I am from OML Embroidery. So let's pick up where we left off, basically, but starting again. So I am going to pick a lovely Christmas tree shape. It is down here. Now I use this one. We might as well use the same one again, why don't we? And that gets plunked down. I'm going to hold down the shift key and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger and not do that. There we go. I always miss the green one. So what we want to do then is right now this is just lines, and we want more than lines, don't we? We want it filled in. So I'll leave you guys to decorate the tree how you want. I'm just going to quickly show you how to do this, because you can do this with any design, or even if you scatter the design like I did on the first one, it's going to look fantastic. So make sure you decorate your tree a little bit, and now we can work on, we want stippling behind it, right? So let's go to shapes and pick a square, because that's easier than drawing it out, so why not? Hold down the shift key again and pull it out, and we want it to cover our hoop but not too far. So once you have that done, that's cool. We want to take a copy of our tree, so we want to select on the tree, and you can see it's blue here. Now, one good thing I meant to tell you guys about Embrilliance is that you can change the name. So this is tree, so we're going to leave it as tree. This will be stipple in a minute, but it isn't. So Control C, Control V, and now we have a copy of the tree. And what I want to do is inflate it just a little bit, and we're going to change it to a run. So there we go. That looks really good. So I just did an inflate of 2 millimeters. That looks fantastic. Now select the tree. You can see that it's selected, and change it to a run. So now it actually looks pretty cute that way, but that's not quite what we want. We want to select our square and select our run, and then go up here to create outline, and combine holes is what we want. And now we have the square with the cutout on it. And all we have to do then is click on the stipple, and you can see that it goes around, and our tree is no longer, you know, covered underneath. So you can do that with any design, and you can see here it changed to stipple, and I really think that's fantastic. If you wanted to change it to, we talked about doing motifs in the background, that is how you do it. Just change it to motif. How about we talked about this one? Now that's different. I'm not sure how well that works. Actually, it kind of does. That's called echo outline, echo interior clipped. That is what I like to see. That is a whole different quilt block, and I absolutely love it. So make sure you decorate your tree, make sure you outline it, and remember, make the background cutout, because it makes it look even more fantastic. Thanks everyone for watching, and I hope you guys like this video. Remember to subscribe to the channel and like this video to let me know that you want more videos just like this. Thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.